Hey there, South Jersey. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We had a little bit of snow. We had a little bit of rain today. We look at chip bottom, pretty much just a raw, dreary sky out there. And I want to show you this dew point map because this is telling the story. We have, again, not been steady with our precipitation today, just scattered. And the reason being, dry air is forming a wall pretty much just south of the Mason-Dixon line, preventing all this moisture from coming up into the region. So as a result, again, just some scattered activity here. And we're looking at our midday radar. You see nothing really too steady hanging around New Jersey. However, peeking out on the western side of our screen is the main system. Again, we are just in the lead part of it. The main stuff is over into deep south, and that'll be pushing our way as we go forward in time. So we are not done with this yet, folks. We are only just in the beginning. However, it is going to be mostly rain from here on out. This is 2 o'clock today. Scattered activity again. And what I want to show you is this map. It's the 850 millibar temperature map. Put in other words, water temperature is about a mile up. This is in Celsius. So anything over 0 is above freezing, and that's our rain snow line. And you can see you're getting into just about the Whitehorse Pike corridor. So again, after about 2 or 3 o'clock, if you're north of Whitehorse Pike, yes, you can still see a little bit of sleet or snow, but by the time we get towards 4 o'clock, I think we're all rain. You can see that here for 8 o'clock, and let's look at that map again for 8 o'clock. We see that freezing line really pretty much up to Middlesex County and get over into Middlesex, Somerset, and Hunterdon County. 4 a.m. on Tuesday, we see that rain pushing northward, big snowstorm breaking out, at least for mid-December standards into the area. However, we are going to be mostly dry here from 12 to 7 a.m. as we get into the warm sector of the storm. Then we go into Tuesday morning, scattered rain showers around, and then by 4 o'clock on Tuesday, the cold front pushes offshore. So it's going to be a wet morning and into a good part of the afternoon, but late in the day is when we dry out. Can't even run a rumble of thunder as this cold front passes through as well. For this afternoon, here's your numbers. 37 and 38, about 10 degrees below average for this time of year and raw. However, I think there is enough time for most outdoor activities as the rain is fairly scattered here. Maybe if you're doing some construction, you want to wait to another day because of the rain and snow. For tonight, temperatures actually bottom out during the early evening and then rise during the overnight hours. And then after midnight, again, that steady rain turns into just a couple of showers, and we'll be in the mid-40s as we start off our Tuesday. And that gets us up into the 50s for our high temperatures. For the most part here, the warmer the further east you go, with the exception at the immediate shoreline. And again, periods of rain throughout much of the day, ending between 3 to 5 p.m. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast for you. We go to Wednesday, 40 degrees. That is it. And then how about these lows? 18 for Wednesday night and Thursday night. Surrounded by our first sub-freezing day of the year on Thursday. We're staying chilly till Friday. And as we go into next weekend, Saturday looks dry. And then in that Sunday or Monday time frame, we are anticipating some kind of storm system to be nearby. No guarantee on it coming here. It could stay well out to sea, but we will monitor it, and I think by Wednesday we will have a good idea of whether this is going to hit or not. For the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, or you can go to our website at thepressofac.com/weather.